Got it, crib, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me?
Small TV here.
Go sailing over.
Then the bassinet here. You can put the baby here. Spin it there. And then they're gonna shower the baby. And if they want to do any tests, they can just do it there.
To the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name?
Smart shower here.
It ain't no thing, you acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby, boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you see him.
So the hospital gave a whole lot of things for me and the baby. Let's see, what is it? Here I think you have some baby's clothes. You have rompers here. The maternity gown. Maternity gown here. You have some tissue here. Baby diapers. A change mat you can use for the baby, or you can use for yourself as well. Then this, wow, let's see what's inside. Wow, you have a lot of things you can order. Huggies, some diapers, shower gel also. Yeah, this is like a disinfectant. Here is a, I don't know this one, maybe lotion. Here is a baby oil. Here is a pacifier. I'll start using it because my baby came out sucking his fingers already. And more things here. And you have a whole lot of things here to read for the baby and how to use it, which is good. So that's that one. I think I'll open the other one. Let's open this one. Wow. You have wipes. You have diaper for the baby. Baby balm or baby cream. I think this should be like a small towel. And here you have a sponge. And here, I don't know what's this. I have to open it up. Here you have like a baby towel, like the muslin towel. You have a book here, a jotter. What's this? Agua de cologne. Like you put it, the cologne, you put it in the water to disinfect the water to wash the baby. Then you have a baby brush. Nice. This is cool. So that is it for the day. Over to my lunch. So I have bread. I have this nice meat, potatoes. I have soup here. I have pineapple. I have shrimps here. But unfortunately, I don't eat shrimp, so I have some water there. That's my lunch.